Hi friends, today we're going to sing some fun songs about the things that we do every day. Brushing our teeth, cleaning up, and getting dressed. The first song that we're going to sing will be Brush, Brush, Brush Your Teeth. And it goes, brush, brush, brush your teeth, make them shiny bright, up and down and all around, morning, noon, and night. Swish, swish, rinse it out, spit it in the sink. Sparkly smiles are what we get, now that's clean, I think. And the second song that we'll be singing is called Cleanup Crew. And it goes, if you're part of the cleanup crew, pick it up. If you're part of the cleanup crew, pick it up. Put the toys back in their spot, let's make sure we clean a lot. If you're part of the cleanup crew, pick it up. Blocks go here and crayons there, nice and neat. Books on shelves and dolls and chairs can't be beat. When our space is tidy too, we can play with something new. We're the proud cleanup crew, nice and neat. And the third song that we'll be singing is called Getting Dressed for the Day. And it goes, the shirt on my head goes over my nose, over my nose, over my nose. The shirt on my head goes over my nose, that's how I get dressed. The pants on my legs go up, 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 up. The pants on my legs go up, 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 that's how I get dressed. The shoes on my feet go stomp, 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 stomp. The shoes on my feet go stomp, stomp, stomp. Now I'm ready to go.